Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add items to your shopping list on the ALDI application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the three dots icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. After that you should click on the my shopping list button in the middle, indicated with this heart icon. Tap on the this search bar at the top to search for items and click on the heart icon to add it to your shopping list. So feel free to add as many items as you want to. You can search for particular products as well. Feel free to add as many as you would like to. Then go back to this section to check it out. If you have bought one of these items and you would like to get rid of the item from your shopping list, then tap onto this circle and then a checkmark icon will appear, as you can see in the done section. So it's marked as done. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.